Lily, wait!
Trust me, I'll show you somewhere amazing.
Slow down! Pip! Pip! Where are you? Please, where are you?
Who can solve this math problem?
I can solve this problem.
Lily, come up to the board. Excellent, Lily. Very well done.
Hello! You are Lily, right? Yes. And you? I am Pip. I see you always helping people, so I wanted to get acquainted. Nice to meet you. Want to eat? Thank you. You still read during recess? I like reading. I prefer running and jumping. Studying all the time is boring. Everyone likes different things. See you later. Yeah.
Did you have fun at school today?
Yes, very much. Today, I made a new friend named Pip.
Having a new friend is a good thing. But remember to play with those who help you become better.
Yes, I will. Lily, sit next to me today. Okay.
Do the exercise for 15 minutes.
Don't do it yet. You can copy it later. No, I can't. You always listen to the rules.
Who just threw paper?
Don't do that anymore. Just joking a bit. Follow me. Where to? Go play there. The teachers won't see us. But class is starting soon. You are always afraid of rules. Trying breaking them once is fine. Lily! Hurry up! Hurry up! I hope I was mistaken.
You have 15 minutes to finish.
Don't do it yet. Drawing this is more fun. What if the teacher checks? She won't notice. Lily, where is your work? Teacher, it is because I invited Lily to talk.
Friends are meant to help each other improve, not to neglect studying together.
Lily, watch this. Hurry up!
Lily is no longer the diligent girl she used to be. Perhaps I need to talk to her parents.
Lily, come sit with us for a bit.
Miss Clara called us today. She said you are often distracted lately and your grades have dropped. What happened, honey?
Nothing happened.
If you face difficulties, we are always ready to listen.
You won't understand.
How do you know we won't understand if you haven't told us?
You always tell me to study and obey. Pip is the only one who understands me.
We do not forbid you from making friends. We just want you to know what is right.
You can play with Pip, but don't let others drag you into doing what you know is wrong.
I don't want to listen anymore. Let's go. We will go where no one controls us. Come outside and meet me. Ready? Let's go. See? From now on, no one will force us to study anymore. Are we really going to live in another place? Yes. No one will know who we are there. But do we have enough money? Do not worry. As long as we have freedom, it is fine. Hurry! The train is here! From now on, we can sleep whenever we want, eat whatever we want. No one controls us. Hey, do not think about home anymore. We are about to have a new life. Oh no! What is wrong? I left something inside the station. I will go with you. No need. You stand here and wait for me. I will go back to get it and come right out. Okay. I will stand here and wait. Why is Pip taking so long? Pip! Pick up the phone! Pip! Pip! Where are you? Pip, did you really leave me behind? Pip? Where are you? I miss Mark, Father. I miss Eliza, Mother. I want to go home. Are you hungry? Are you talking to me? Yes. My name is Anna. I am Lily. Eat this. No, I can't. That is your food. Then we each have half. Thank you. Are you traveling with your family? No. I ran away from home with a friend. Then where is your friend? She left me behind at the train station. At least you still have a family. What about you? I do not have parents. I always wish for a home to return to. I thought leaving home would be more fun. Having someone waiting for you at home is the happiest thing. I miss Mark, Father. I miss Eliza, Mother. If you truly want to return, it is never too late. I really want to go home. If you want to go home, then return. Your parents must be very worried. But I am afraid my parents will be angry. If I had parents, even if scolded, I would want to go home.
Are you two sitting here alone? It is getting dark.
I am still fine.
And how about you?
I ran away from home.
Do you remember your parents' phone number?
Yes. I remember.
Then let me help you call your parents.
I miss Mark, Father. I miss Eliza, Mother.
Read your parents' phone number for me.
5550123.
Hello? Is it Lily?
I am Officer Sam. Lily is safe at the Central Park. Please come here right away.
Thank you. We will come immediately. Your parents are on their way here.
Thank you. If I hadn't met you, I really wouldn't know what to do.
You will be home soon.
Do you know how worried we were about you? I am sorry. I was wrong.
As long as you return safely, it is enough.
I thought Pip understood me the most. But when faced with difficulties, Pip left me alone.
Anyone can make mistakes. The important thing is, you knew to return.
Anna shared her food with me and stayed by my side when I was most scared.
Thank you for helping Lily.
Anna, who are you living with?
I have no relatives left.
Can you help Anna, please? We want her to have a safe place to stay and continue going to school.
Thank you, everyone.
I will come visit you later. I will wait.
Lily, let's go home, dear.
I will never leave my family again.